Cabbage is one such vegetable which is low in carb, high in fiber, packed with vitamin C, which makes it perfect for weight loss, diabetes, obesity, and heart diseases. So let's make high protein yet delicious cabbage rolls. For more such amazing ideas on delicious and healthy vegetarian and vegan recipes, subscribe to Dash of Delight and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the recipe. Hi guys, this is Soumya and welcome to Dash of Delight. I've taken 1 cup of soy chunks. You can also take soy curls or soy granules. They need no introduction in India, but if you're in any other part of the world, you can simply grab them from any Indian or Asian store or from vegan section of any grocery store. Wash these soy chunks and then boil them for 5 to 7 minutes. They tend to cook very quickly and once done, they'll become very soft and squishy like this. Now switch off the gas and let it cool down. Then transfer it into a colander and drain out all the water. Now squeeze out all the excess water. We need them nice and dry. Once they are free from excess moisture, coarsely grind them. Make sure you don't blend it into fine paste. Just grind them coarsely. Now, please note here, if you are using soy granules, please skip this step. You don't need to grind them as you have already taken the granules. Now, in 1 tablespoon of oil, cook garlic. This recipe calls for a good quantity of garlic, so take around 7 to 8 cloves. Then add 1 big onion finely chopped, followed by 2-inch piece of grated ginger. Now I'm adding 3 green chilies. So, always use chilies as per your taste. If you don't like chili heat, you can also choose not to add it. Alright, now here I have 1 carrot and half bell pepper or capsicum. I'm gonna chop it finely in my manual chopper and add into it. You can also grate them if you want. Keep the flame to high and saute everything for few minutes. Then add in all the coarsely ground soy chunks. Mix everything together. Don't forget to add the salt here. Take salt as per your taste. Now to finish it up, add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, white vinegar, and handful of cilantro or coriander leaves. You can also go with parsley. So our stuffing is ready. Switch off the gas and let it cool down. Now take nice and fresh cabbage. Take out the outer leaves. We are going to use the inner leaves as they are way more softer and cleaner. Then take out the core of the cabbage with the help of a knife. There we go. Now start taking out the leaves. Okay, so guys, this process is not that easy as it seems. If you find it difficult, you can dip the whole cabbage in hot or boiling water for 5 to 7 minutes. This way, leaves tend to come out pretty easily. So see, here I've taken out the leaves and now in order to soften them, I'm gonna immerse them in smoking hot water for few minutes and cover it. Press them gently so that they are completely immersed in water, and then cover it. Then after 8 to 10 minutes, you will see that the leaves have softened and are ready to be rolled up. So at this stage, just scrape out this hard part of the leaves. Just a little bit, and that's it. Alright, now take a generous amount of stuffing mixture and keep it on the leaves, around 2 teaspoons. Then start folding it. So fold it from right side, then from the left, and then hold it tight and roll it straight from the bottom all the way to the top. See, like this. Now I'm gonna show you one more way of folding. Just in case you find any one way difficult, you can fold it the other way. So keep the mixture on the leaves, then fold it from the bottom first, then from the right side. Now the left end needs to be folded, and finally roll it up to the top. So you can do it either of the ways you find convenient. Okay, so now my rolls are all set to go straight into the steamer. So I'm using my idli steamer as it has good separate compartments. So here comes our delicious steamed cabbage rolls. Well, I love them just like that along with the ranch dip by the side. But since I'm making the recipe for you guys, I'm gonna complete them by giving a finishing touch. So let's make a quick sauce for our rolls. In 1 teaspoon of oil, add 4-5 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon soy sauce and red chili sauce. Add some water so that nothing burns out. Add half teaspoon white vinegar and salt. Then once it comes to one boil, switch off the gas and add half teaspoon sesame seeds and handful of cilantro or coriander leaves. Mix it up and immediately pour the sauce over the rolls right away. If you want, you can also add some scallion or spring onion greens in the sauce, but for me it's perfect. Alright guys, here comes our absolutely delectable cabbage rolls. Packed with nutrition, stuffed with protein, these cute little packets make a wholesome and fulfilling healthy meal for you. Do try them out. And if you like my videos and recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight. Also press that bell icon on the right corner so that you don't miss any recipe. This is Soumya signing off. See you next time. Bye bye.